feeling ready to take down Easter. So we had a good time. My mother-in-law and my aunt-in-law came up. We hung out with some other family, doing all the fun things we like to do. We had seafood. We went to the casino, some of us, etc. And just, stayed up all night talking. So I'm just going to now take all of the pink out and lighten this tablescape up a little bit. And thank you so much for joining me today. Happy Saturday. I hope you're doing well. I'm happy with my Tablescape, light and airy like I like it right now. My daughter got up this morning in her Nora Smith era and decided she wanted to make homemade butter. I'm so proud of her. It turned out so good, y'all. This is a great project to do with children. She's going to actually record this on her channel, maybe on her TikTok, I'm not sure, so she can show all the steps. But yes, what an accomplishment. The girlies that like to homemade, y'all get it. So this leftover whey, buttermilk, whatever, we're going to actually make some ranch dressing. Because my husband, he likes ranch, so she's going to do that for her father. So I'm sure he'll be impressed. Look at this butter. So tasty, too. And we're going to play around with flavors eventually as well. But I'm so very proud of her. So, y'all, anyway, thank you for joining me. I didn't talk a lot in this video. I was just, trying to get through the day, the morning, trying to clean up. Y'all have a happy Saturday.